Yeah, man, you feel me? I'm out here, you feel me? In West Oakland, California, right now, you feel me? Blowing on some of Aunties Past finest, you know what I mean? I know a lot of you niggas be on YouTube with music and all that shit. That's cool. Keep doing your thing. 2 thumbs up. I see you. You feel me? But now it's time for me to get on and let myself, you know, I'm kind of new to this shit right now, you know what I'm saying? But now I does do this, you know what I mean? It's to the point where my niggas and your niggas is telling me that I need to get on, you know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Everybody looking for this shit right here. You know what I mean? This is Blowing Icy in the streets music. Yeah, don't get that shit confused. Not in the street, but in the streets. Yeah, like every day. You know what I mean? So I ain't just rapping this shit. I really live this shit. This is what I do. But I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a 16 for the day. You know what I mean? I'm gonna start doing this shit every day for y'all. So you can just get a feel of me, you know what I mean? Maybe tomorrow I'll put it, maybe next week, you know, I ain't in no rush, this ain't really my thing, I just do it for fun, you know what I mean? Or at home, you know what I mean? Little bro behind the cam, you know what I mean? Shout out to Icy, yes, you know what I mean? Killers, yeah. But now, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all what? But get y'all what? That was that shit dope.
Store fresh.